Okay guys, good to see you. My name is Aleksi and today I'm gonna show you how to replace your clutch discs from your dirt bike. So the best way to get to your clutch is of course from the clutch side, and I hope you are not this. Anyhow, if you don't know, the clutch is on the right side from most of the KTM bikes. I know some LC4 KTM back in the day, they have it on the left, so there's 50% chance that you might be on the wrong side of the bike, taking the wrong side open. Everything in here is so self-explanatory. You have to open the screws holding the case. Yeah, good. Oh man, you have a situation like this. Unscrew this pivot thing, and then you can just take out the spring, and this is meant for and as you see, the bike is pretty dirty because I tried to wash it, but outside is already minus, so our hoses or water thing was frozen, so I couldn't get any water from there. This is how we do it. Pop. It will pop open, and there is your clutch. Once you have opened your clutch cover, what you will see is this is the spring that holds the clutch plates in the basket, and in new KTMs the clutch system is adjustable from this side as well. So basically there's 1, 2 and 3, and this is, I can't remember the order, but I think it's on the manual. You can check it. You can choose, if you choose put this here, everything like changes. And it's always good to do it like tiny bit, and it comes off like so. One thing that comes off as well is this small spring that is also, I have a new one waiting there, so clever thing to use a pick or a real pick or something, but I'm gonna use a screwdriver. I don't have a pick here. And this is the pressure plate, which sits on top of all the plates. Oh, come on. There is just a thinner 1mm steel plate as the first plate, and then there is this pressure plate right on top of that. And as you can see, I can show you soon. And this is the, yeah. The next step is to take out the worn out. Yeah, these are pretty worn out. Yeah, not that bad, to be honest. But these are the friction plates, and then there is a steel plate. So this just comes off, and you might need a pick for the last few because they are down in the basket, and you don't want. One thing that it's really smart to take out, especially if you are working with your bike while it's lying on its side, is these guiding pins or whatever these are. They are not fixed in any way, so they can fall right down the basket. So it's easy when you have had a few of those plates off. I would suggest to take these off just in case, because you don't want to ruin your day by fishing these out from the engine. Take this still out. Yeah, there is finger place. So a good pick will help you a lot, I would say, or small fingers. And I think I have the last one. Yeah. For the last one, I'm gonna need a screwdriver, which will act as a pick, but never use screwdrivers as a pick. I would say that my dad kills me because I always destroy these nice screwdrivers. And now this is like a, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, epic. And now we have it here. You can guess maybe when you have all the plates here, the next step is of course put the new ones in, and only thing that is good to have them soaked in oil before you put them in. So what I've done is these KTM plates, they come in this original, this plastic box, so I just poured oil on top of this and let them soak for a couple of, I think half an hour or something. But now I'm gonna put the new clutch in and I can't wait to go and ride this thing. Once you have your first 1mm plate there, you can put this tappi. We call these tappi in Finnish. But basically this is a dowel pin or something. It has a fancy name. Anyhow, it's tappi in my language. So we're gonna put those. Right after the first one comes this friction plate, and as said, you can't put this on the wrong way. This is no rocket science plate. After plate comes the friction plate. After the plain plate there comes the friction plate. I don't know why this is so... Come on man, come on. Slide, why are you not sliding? Why you know? I don't know which slide. And then the next. And these are all oiled already, so super nice. And now is the last steel plate, which is 1mm once again. Nasty. So it's a really nice thing is to put some oil on the pressure plate. Just it will get oil, but you never know what happens with KTMs. And this goes here, like so. Now is the small washer thing. This one, there is the top at some point. And now we put that here. So yeah, now the clutch is repaired. There is new plates, new washer, everything is torqued to spec. The bolts are 6 Nm, so you need a really good torque wrench to do that. I have a built-in one, which has been calibrated, so that it works. But yeah, this was 135 hours with the last clutch, and I hope this will last at least the same amount into the future. And yeah, we'll see how it works. And if you watched this long, thank you for staying there, and hit a like if you like this kind of videos, hit a dislike if you didn't, and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Boom, this sound is, oh, this sound. You know this sound? When you put something that is machined perfectly. Oh, the sound. Oh, it sounds so nice. But yeah. You should go already. So how does this map work? Yeah, this one goes here. This isn't the map for the dummies. Map for guys like me. Not the smartest one in the pack. Never do that, by the way. Never trust the machine. This is usually my messiest part of everything. Hey, hey! No! I knew it. I'm so bad at this. All the hell broke loose. Good thing is I have the Motonet brake cleaner. This is the most epic thing man can design. Brake cleaner that smells like good.